How to fix Discord crash when streaming. If you are streaming something on Discord and then it crashes, there is a simple way to fix it. So on your PC, you can open the Discord app and this is the interface you will see. Go to the user settings option from the bottom left, which looks like the gear icon there. From there, you want to scroll under app settings. You want to go to the option where it says voice and video. Now, when you come to voice and video, you'll find many sorts of different options, but you want to scroll and simply look for one of the options right there that says hardware acceleration. So what is this feature? So hardware acceleration uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding if available. And not all the PC might actually have this available. So the reason it could be crashing on yours could be due to this. So you want to simply make sure to turn off this toggle, restart the Discord app, and now you can try to stream again to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.